Hello, this is a very quick video on how to do MLA formatting because in our assignment this week, many students did not follow the MLA formatting that was laid out in the assignment. So if you notice here, there's week 1 introduction. We go down to annotated reading response. Open that, and right here, number 2 on the instructions. It's very important, brothers and sisters, to please follow the instructions for every assignment. Is follow MLA guidelines for formatting your response. MLA formatting will be used for every single written response essay in this course, so it's very important that you get this down right now. I would save this site to your favorites for websites, and you will also come across it again, but here is the link. Once you click on it, talks about cite your source automatically, to where you could use this as well when it comes to your research paper to cite your sources. A very good tool to do that. You have website, book, journal article, online film, etc. But for the purposes of formatting your reader's response for this week and in subsequent weeks, as well as for your research paper and personal essay that will be coming up later in the semester, we want to follow the paper formatting guidelines here. I will let you read over these paper formatting guidelines, but you do need to make sure you look at the example. Some of you had some aspects of the MLA formatting. Some of you did absolutely fabulous, followed everything to a T, and others didn't follow it at all. And so if you didn't follow it all, you do have the opportunity for week 1 only, not subsequent weeks, only week 1, to redo the assignment for more points. So I'm going to go to a Word document, and you do need to turn in your information on the Word document and not in the, somebody turned in something that was not a Word document. It's just not going to work. So if you notice, I use a student in our class example on the paragraph. And this particular student did everything correct on her response, but I deleted her name and the heading and everything else because I want to make sure that I show you how to do this. So in the header, right up here, the first inch of the paper, you want to double click that. If you notice, it says header here. You then want to go over to page number, because it's header footer. Go over to page number, top of page, and you want the right justification for the page number. You click that. Then you want to put your last name. That is all you need to do. It will automatically do that for the rest of the pages from here on out. Then you double click outside, and you will here you will put your first and last name. You will then put, let's see, let's go back to MLA formatting, just to refresh my memory here, because it has been a while for myself. And this is why we use the example. So then you put your professor, the class name, and the date. So you could put Sister Shada, or you can put Jeanette Shada or Professor Shada, either way, but Sister Shada is good. Then you put the name of the class, English 150, and then you put the date, and you could put it one of two ways. Typically it's day, month, and year, but I will accept month, day, and year. So here, September 17 September 2021, and that is now formatted that way. If you notice here, there is the title. It is centered. There is no bolding. It is the same font size as the rest of the type, and it also has a capital A, capital R, so the first letter of each word is capitalized, except for, words like to. The A should be lowercased here. So I will fix that now. So how to mark a book. And then once you have everything set, your paragraphs written, you want to double space everything. So you're going to highlight everything, go to underneath here, the paragraph here, and line spacing, double space. This is now a properly formatted Word document. You will save this and then you will upload it into your assignment. And that is all you need to do there. The other thing I want to point out is a reader's response is not a summarization. A couple of you did summarize. Not looking for a summarization. I'm looking for a response to the reading. What are your thoughts? What are your feelings? What are your aha moments in the reading? And this particular person did a very good job in her reader response. And so that is all you need for these reader responses from here on out, the formatting for every single paper you do from here on out. So please review this video in the future if you need more help.